Ready once again. Away they go. Dance Fever from the outside, Durango. Dugo Sprite from the outside, Hot Gossip. Then comes Live in Manila. I see Dragon and Mike's Dancer running at the tail of the field. Dance Fever by Anek, followed by Durango by Daryl. Dugo Sprite is watching in third by about 2 lines. Live in Manila is now running in fourth by another 2 lines alongside IC Dragon, Hot Gossip, and Mike's Dancer. Rounding the far turn, Durango is now the leader. Dance Fever, Dugo Sprite, IC Dragon, and Live in Manila. As they raise the corner, Durango by a length and a half. IC Dragon, Dance Fever, Dugo Sprite, Live in Manila is running down on the inside as they raise the final corner. Durango followed by Dance Fever. Live in Manila down on the inside. Dugo Sprite on the further outside. Durango, Dance Fever, and Dugo Sprite Live in Manila. And nearing the finish line, Durango number 5. And finally, Durango, Dugo Sprite, Dance Fever Live in Manila number 4. I see Dragon.